Good morning, students. Now, in the last lecture, I have given a brief introduction of insurance. Insurance means what? Whatever property you have, including your life also, all these things need to be insured so that on loss of some due to some unfortunate incidents, if there is any loss to your property, any loss to your life, then you can get the money back. Now, this is called as insurance. Even we have seen what are the different insurance companies who offer this. Now, today we will see more on that. That is life insurance. What is that? Life insurance means your life is secure. The very well-known insurance company is LIC, that is Life Insurance Corporation. It is a government company. There are other companies but which are in the private sectors also. Okay. Now, just read about life insurance. It is a contract between an insurance company and the person under which a specific amount is payable by the insurance company on the death of the person or on a person attaining a particular age. Suppose you are taking a policy up to 58 years of age. Now, on 50 years, today if you are 25 years old, up to you are taking out the policy for 25 years. That means your policy will mature after 25 years. Now, that you will get back amount after attaining the age of 50 years. But if unfortunately before attaining 50 years a person dies, then the amount will be given back to his or her nominees. Okay, but if he attains complete 50 years, then after completion of that he will be getting or he or she will be getting the amount back. Now, what is called as premium? A person who is insured for life agrees to pay a certain installment of money periodically. Of that period is decided by the person who is taking the insurance. That is, it may be monthly, it may be quarterly, it may be half yearly, or it may be yearly. To the insurance company, this amount of installment is called premium. It is called as premium. Policy value. Now, the amount received by a person from the insurance company on maturity or on his death, both the things are there. एक तो maturity होने के बाद you will get the amount back, or in case of death also you get the money. Or attaining a certain age is called a policy value. Paid up value. Now, this is very important. Paid up value. That is number of premiums actually paid upon total number of premiums stipulated in the policy multiplied by sum assured. Okay, that means what? Paid up value. This happens generally in case with the accidental death or before attaining the age you faced it. That is number of premiums actually paid. अब हो सकता है 10 years की पॉलिसी निकाले लेकिन 2 years पेमेंट करने के बाद 2 years half of yearly payment means 4 premiums he has paid. Paid up value of 4 premiums, suppose it comes to be 2000 upon total number of premiums stipulated in the policy. पॉलिसी में कितने नंबर ऑफ पेरेंट्स आते हैं, प्रीमियम के आते हैं, into sum assured means for how much amount you are assuring that particular, maybe it may be 50,000 and all that. This much amount you will get on the maturity. Okay, this is called as paid up value. Surrender value is equals to X% of total Okay. Now next is general insurance. This was all about life insurance. Now next is general insurance. Now I will read the general insurance. General insurance covers all types of insurance except life insurance. And life insurance is totally different. It does not come under general insurance. Now we will see what comes under general insurance. It offers protection against loss of property, that is to your building or to your factory, vehicle or valuables of a person due to fire or earthquake or flood or the natural calamities. In case of loss or damage, the insurance company guarantees to pay compensation in the proportion that exists between policy value and property value. अब हम policy value क्या है, property value क्या है, that we will see afterwards. All contracts of general insurance are governed by principle of indemnity, in which the insurer undertakes to pay only the actual amount of loss suffered by the insured. Thus, the insured cannot make a profit out of insurance. Now, insurance is not a profit gaining policy. आप देखो प्रॉफिट गेनिंग पॉलिसीज कौन से होते हैं, जैसे हम लोग इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, एफडीज है, फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट स्कीम्स है, दीज आर प्रॉफिट गेनिंग. मींस इफ यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग 10,000, आफ्टर 5 years you will be getting 13,000. Means you are getting a profit of 3,000 rupees. But here it is not a profit taking policy. Only the loss which we are made, loss which is done due to the natural calamities, we get money. Now next is fire, marine and accident insurance. Fire insurance. Under this type of insurance, properties such as buildings, godowns containing goods, factories, etc. can be insured against loss due to fire. अब उसमें क्या होता है, property value. Property value means what? Suppose our building is there, a factory is there, suppose. So what is the property, the value of that particular building? That comes under property value. Means what is the value of your property? Okay. Now policy value. The value of property insured is called policy value. Means see here, suppose your building or your factory or your small building is there, it comes to be 50,000. Now आप सब whole property insured कर रहे हो, तो your policy value will be 50,000. But you don't want to insure the whole property. You want to insure only 80% of that. So what will be your policy value? Policy value is 80% of your property value. That is 80 upon 100 multiplied by 50,000. That is 0 will get cancelled. 8 5s are 40. So 4,000 will be your policy value. This is a very small amount I have told. Generally the lakhs of are there. Period. और first we will see premium. Property policy value निकाल लिया आपने 4,000 की. अब इसके premiums कैसे, यानी how to pay the amount paid to the insurance company to insure the policy. अब ये पॉलिसी इंश्योर करने के लिए आपको कुछ न कुछ अमाउंट कंपनी को पे करनी पड़ती है, एंड दैट अमाउंट इज कॉल्ड एज प्रीमियम. प्रीमियम रेट्स आर एक्सप्रेस्ड एज परसेंटेज, 4%, 5% of the value of property insured. Next is period. Now it is for time duration for which you want to insure your property. That is the duration of contract for which property is insured is called period. Now you can insure for 10 years, 20 years, whatever it is, but note that the fire insurance is only for 1 year. You cannot make extend your fire insurance. अगर 1 साल होने के बाद आपके बिल्डिंग को फायर इट इज डैमेज ड्यू टू फायर, देन अगर आपकी जो ये है वैलिड नहीं रहेगा आपका इंश्योरेंस, मीन्स एवरी ईयर यू हैव टू रिन्यू योर पॉलिसी. इट इज ओनली फॉर फायर इंश्योरेंस. नाउ लॉस, द वैल्यू ऑफ डैमेज टू प्रॉपर्टी इज कॉल्ड लॉस. अब 50,000 की आपकी प्रॉपर्टी है, उसका 80% आपने whatever it is 40,000 और whatever it is 40,000 आपका पॉलिसी वैल्यू. नाउ लॉस यानी द वैल्यू ऑफ डैमेज इज कॉल्ड एज लॉस. कितना परसेंट आपका लॉस हुआ है, 10% हुआ है, 20% हुआ है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज लॉस. तो आप क्लेम कितना करोगे, isn't it? अगर लॉस होता है तो you but naturally expect to get your back, but there are some limitations to the claim also. So claim, how much amount you will claim, what is the here claim is equals to policy value, means आपने कितने रुपीस के कितना प्रॉपर्टी इंश्योर किया अपॉन प्रॉपर्टी वैल्यू, टोटल प्रॉपर्टी वैल्यू multiplied by what loss is there in the property. This is the formula to find out claim. Okay, means this much amount you can claim. Next is marine insurance. Marine itself name suggests due to water related. It covers the risk of damage in the transport of goods by sea, by shipping. जो भी goods come through marine, this one it is the insurance is called as marine insurance. The premium of policy is determined on the basis of value of ship and its contents. The period of इसका period, the journey period of the ship is called the period of policy. Now यहाँ पे 10 years 20 years ये नहीं होता. What period? The journey period of the ship. जहाँ से आप वो गुड्स ला रहे हो वहाँ से आप तक पहुँचने के लिए वो पर्टिकुलर शिप को कितना टाइम लगता है, that is called as period. Next is accident insurance. It covers the protection against damage to vehicles like cars, trucks, two-wheelers, etc. due to accidents. The policy also covers the liability of the insured to third parties involved in the accident. यानी जिसकी वजह से वो एक्सीडेंट हुआ. Period. The period of accident insurance is 1 year. Even the period of accident insurance is also 1 year. Now we will start studying the problems on this. First sum we will see. Now find the premium on property worth 12,50,000. Means here property worth means what is given? Property value. Property value is given to be rupees 12,50,000. Rate is given to be 3%. Now there are two cases. First, the property is fully insured. Fully insured means जितनी भी property की value है पूरी की पूरी it is insured. And in second case, the property is insured to 80%. Okay, in both the cases we will find the premium. Now first, what is the first case? Property is fully insured. Property is fully insured. Now amount of premium we want to find. Amount of premium is equals to, now 3% is there, 3 upon 100 multiplied by insured पूरी means you will take the property value, that is 12,50,000. 0 gets cancelled. 5 3s are 15. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So what is the amount of premium? 37,500. It can be made according to the. Now next case is 80%. Your property is insured up to 80%. So case 2 will be property is insured up to 80%. Means how much it is insured? 80% of this. 80 upon 100 multiplied by 12,50,000. 0 gets cancelled. Now see 1 2 3 zeros we will add first. 8 5s are 40. 8 2s are 16 plus 4 28. Means 10 lakhs. This is the property value which is insured. Now amount of premium. The rate remains same. So amount of premium we will see here. Amount of premium. What is the rate remains same? 3 upon 100 multiplied by. Now you are insuring only 10 lakhs. So 0 gets cancelled. Whatever amount is there, that will be your premium. Got it? Next sum we will read. That is, I will read the next sum. See, a shop is valued at rupees 2,40,000. Means what is the property value? 2,40,000. For 75% of its value. Means the whole shop is not insured. Only 75% of its value is insured. If the rate of premium is 90 paise percent, it is, remember, 90 paise percent. Find the premium paid by the owner of the shop. Okay, this is the first question. Uska question ka second part mein baad mein. First of all, we will write what is given. Shop is valued at 2,40,000. Means property value is rupees 2,40,000. अब policy value. It is insured up to how much? It is insured up to 75%. Means 75 upon 100 multiplied by 2,40,000. 0 gets cancelled. Now we will multiply this 75 into 26. 5 4s are 20, 7 4s are 28 plus 2 30, 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. That is 1800 and still more 2 zeros. That is 1,80,000 is your policy value. Now amount of premium is 90 paise percent. 90 paise percent. तो first of all 90 पैसे को हमें रुपीस में कन्वर्ट करना है. That is 90 upon 100. Upon 100. Why this extra 100? It is percent into 1,80,000. This upon 1 2 3 4 into 1,80,000. 1 2 3 4 2 3 4. Whatever remaining is your answer. I think it is 1620. So rupees 1620 is the amount of premium. Now we will switch on to the next part of the question. If an agent gets commission at 15% of the premium, find agent's commission. Now this policy is taken through an agent. Directly you are not contacting the company. company, but you are taking the policy through an agent, and the agent gets a commission from the company, that is 15% of the premium. So what amount of commission you will get? प्रीमियम वो भर रहा है 1620 का. So amount of commission we will get is 15 upon 100 multiplied by 1620. We'll cancel 1 0. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 2 81s are 81 3s are 243. So the agent will be getting the commission of rupees 243. Got it? Next sum. I will read the sum. A person insures his office valued at 2 lakhs. Valued means property value, for 80% of its value. He pays rupees 5,000 as premium. Find the rate of premium. If an agent gets commission at 11%, find its commission. Okay. Now, property value is given. See. Property value is rupees 2 lakhs. Policy value. It is 80% of the property, that is 80 upon 100 multiplied by 2 lakhs. 0 0 gets cancelled. 8 2s are 16. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. That is 1,60,000 is the policy value. Premium paid is rupees 5,000. Premium paid is rupees 5,000. We want to find the rate of premium, that is R is equals to question mark. That is rate of interest is equals to question mark. Now see here, amount of premium is equal to R upon 100 multiplied by what is the policy value? 1,60,000. Okay. Now we want to find R. So I will rub this all. R will be equal to 5,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 1,60,000. 1 2 3 2 3. So 500 upon 60 divided and find out the answer. Next. Now, next we will see a building is insured for 80% of its value. A building is insured for 80% of its value. The annual premium at 70% amounts to rupees 2,800. Fire damaged the building to the extent of 60% of its value. How much can be claimed under the policy? Okay. Now, यहाँ पर हमें property value नहीं दी. We don't know the property value. So, let property value is equals to rupees X. So, policy value will be, it is 80%, means 80 upon 100 multiplied by X. 2 4 are 2 5 are, that is rupees 4x upon 5 will be your policy value. Now, the premium is, rate of premium is 70%. That is 70 upon 100%. That is 70 upon, or we'll keep it as 70 upon 100 means what? 0.70%. Got it? Now what is given here? multiplied by policy value, that is 4x upon 5. But what is the premium paid? 2,800. See here. 2,800 will be equal to 0.7 upon 100 into 4x upon 5. 2,800 will be equal to 7 upon 1,000 multiplied by 4x upon 5. Now, here, we want only 4x, this thing, 2,800 multiplied by 1,000 multiplied by 5 upon 7 4s are 28. 100, 500 multiplied by 1,000. So that comes to be 5 lakhs. So what is the value of property? 5 lakhs. Now it is damaged up to how much percent? 60%. Means loss is equals to 60 upon 100 multiplied by this 50,000. 0, 0, let's cancel. 6 5s are 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be this thing? Loss. This will be the loss. Now, policy value of the building. We will find out the policy value. The policy value is 4 upon 5 multiplied by 5 lakhs. That comes to be rupees 4 lakhs. Okay. Now, these things we have got. Now we want to find the loss or the claim. So, I have given you the formula of claim. Claim is equals to policy value upon property value multiplied by loss. Policy value is 4 lakhs upon property value, I think it was 5 lakhs into the loss. This was the loss, that is 30,000. 30 lakh, 3 lakhs was the loss. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 6. So, if you multiply this, you will get the answer, that is how much amount of premium is there and all that. So, claim you can get as multiplying it by the numbers. So, we have seen today the claim, that is policy value upon property value multiplied by 100. Now, all these things we have seen. In the next part, we will study some more examples on insurance, and with this, our insurance and annuity chapter will be over. Then we will see some other chapter. Okay, thank you.